Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites, Kcd2 installed and in path, and any required config files present. Once done, run Kcd2 version to confirm the binary responds. If you need elevated access, open a terminal with sudo or administrator rights. Make sure you have a backup of important configs. Then launch an initial dry run using Kcd2 dry run to see planned actions without changes. This first check prevents surprises and clarifies what the next live commands will modify. You proceed by loading the specific configuration, Kcd2 config, /myconfig, YAML. Next, target the precise job with Kcd2 apply target mydesk so you modify only what you intend to change. While running, enable verbose output with V to trace each step and spot misconfigurations early. If a multi-step sequence is required, chain commands with &end to ensure later steps run only after success. Make sure to inspect the log output to understand why each action ran. You finish by validating the final state with Kcd2 status or Kcd2 check to confirm expected changes applied. If something looks wrong, run Kcd2 rollback ID operation ID to revert to the prior state. This is why you used dry run earlier. For persistent failures, inspect logs in /. Kcd2/logs or the system journal to find error lines. One key troubleshooting tip: if a command hangs, kill it. Inspect the verbose logs, then rerun the specific failed step rather than rerunning the entire.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.